Tararan, tararan, tararan. This is what I got, guys, from Shopee. This is our new collections. So you must be focused, camera. This is our new collection from Shopee. Affordable see-through G-string collection, 60 lingerie panty haul from Shopee. This is very affordable. And this one is a panty. So I need to show you what I got from Shopee. Our affordable, very affordable and sexy lingerie collections from Shopee. So look this, guys. So this look like panty. They have this is color black, and they have here black ribbon. So, and this is very see-through. Look at this, guys. So see-through, and this is very the details here so nice, but I don't know how to wear this one, because when I received this when I received this one, I'm so funny how to wear this one. Look, guys, it's not like panty, but this is panty. So this is very sexy. So wala nang maitatago. So you so these are, guys, at the back. So here's the back. So it's like a tongue. It's tibak. It's empty here. Look. So this is like a funny. I don't know how to wear, and very small here, like a butterfly. Paru G is like a butterfly design. So look at this. Like this one is the design for our panty collections from our lingerie collection from Shopee. So I will show you also that they have also a bra. Ta-da! This is the bra, guys. This is the bra. Also, it's very nice, the details here. And so see, and it's not focus, guys. Look, I will wait. Look here. So it's very see-through. This one is here. The details is good and very refreshing. If you want to wear this one, it's like you're very refreshing. It's like you have an aircon. So this is the bra, and so sexy. And this one is the back. You can tie like this, but like this the design here. So I put like in the up. This one is in the downside, this part. But so I will show you in the up. Wait, guys, it's not easy how to show you good for you. This is our whole collections, affordable see-through collection from G-string collection from Shopee. So this one, guys. So I'm just also to share the all of you my newest collections from my lingerie newest collections here. So this one I bought like, it's not 100 pesos, so it's very affordable lingerie, guys. If you want to order, you can search or you can order through Shopee. So also here, sign up, hope paging okay kayo ng it's very hurt right now. Zainab Haraki is the very popular here and the Philippines, the YouTuber. Ayaw kasi mag-focus here. It's very nice. So if Ibana Alawi will wear this one, so it would be very sexy on hair. So I don't know if how to wear this one. It's like a funny lingerie. This is the third one that I got from Shopee. It's beach bra. So it's so nice, guys. The here black also. I love black lingerie, guys. It's nice to wear it, the black, and you can sexy wearing black lingerie. So this one also here is gold. I love gold. So gold, this one, it's good investment gold also. If you want to invest, buy gold, so it will higher the price every year. So this one is the front and this one is the back, and they have here a foam, so it's nice one. It's very nice if you want to go to the beach. So this one, the strap of the bra, so it's a nice, and I'm so excited to wear this if we were going to the beach. So I have 4 order from Shopee, my newest collections for our lingerie. So I show you all of what I got from Shopee right now. So this one, so I know this is made in China. This is like 45 pieces here. And this is the third one. It seemed like the lingerie that I got, the panty and the bra, but this is like a gown, evening night gown. So what we call this one is like a lingerie you can wear every night. So also very see-through, guys. Here it's so nice, and you can feel refreshing if you want to wear this one. And this here embroidery, the flower embroidery, also color black. So we love black lingerie here. So it's very nice to wear every night, so it's very fresh. So this what I got 4 items from Shopee, our newest collections, affordables, see-through G-string collection, 60 panty lingerie panty haul from Shopee. Here are my newest collections. The 2 bra, very sexy, very sexy panty. This one is the panty here, guys, and here is our bra, beach bra, and our other is what we call this one. So I don't know what we call this, like a evening gown. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this one, so you can have access, and if you have my new upload here in my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. See you on my next lingerie haul. Bye for now, and God bless everyone.